Hello, you're watching ERi-TV. Welcome to English News Broadcast. These are the major headlines. 11 patients diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today. The Ministry of Agriculture distributed select seeds to farmers. The global COVID-19 cases and vaccination coverage continue to rise. And EU's top diplomat says more than 100,000 Russian troops have massed on Ukraine's border. The local news. We have an announcement from the Ministry of Health. 11 patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today at quarantine centers in the northern Red Sea region, Gash-Barka, Central and Ansaba regions. Out of this, 7 patients are from the quarantine center in Mamhimet, northern Red Sea region. 2 patients are from a quarantine center in Tesene, Gash-Barka region. Another patient is from the quarantine center in Keren, Ansaba region. The last patient is from a quarantine center in Asmara, Central region. On the other hand, 7 patients who will be receiving medical treatment in hospitals in the Central region have fully recovered and have been discharged from these facilities. The total number of recovered patients has accordingly risen to 3,341, while the number of deaths stands at 10. And the total number for confirmed cases in the country to date has increased to 3,548. Ministry of Health, Asmara, April 20, 2021. The National Agricultural Research Institution of the Ministry of Agriculture distributed 48 types of vegetables and fruit select seeds to farmers. According to vegetables and fruits research expert at the institution, Ms. Eden Ander, the select seeds that include 27 of vegetables and 21 of fruits are compatible with the climate in the country, as well as diseases and pest resistant. She also said that last year successful research has been conducted on 30 types of potatoes and 10 types of select potato seeds were distributed to farmers, and that the beneficiary farmers have been able to produce 130 quintals of potatoes per hectare. The research expert also said that research on 30 types of banana have been conducted and that 2 types of select seeds have been distributed to farmers, rather fruit farmers in the Gash-Barka region, and an encouraging outcome is being registered. The National Agricultural Research Institution, since its establishment, has been conducting research on various vegetables and fruits and distribute them to farmers with a view to develop agricultural output in the country and thereby contribute due part in the effort to ensure national food security. Mr. Yamane Tsagai, head of non-communicable diseases control in the southern region, said the sustainable awareness campaign conducted with a view to develop the awareness of the public on non-communicable diseases has contributed in the decline of the prevalence of the diseases, stating that diabetes, blood pressure, asthma, as well as eye and heart diseases have been the observed main diseases in the region. Mr. Yamane said strong effort has been exerted by the health practitioners with a view to raise the awareness of the public, pointing out that blindness control has been one of the main tasks of the health facilities in the region. Mr. Yamane said that cataract surgery has been conducted on about 800 patients from various subzones of the region. Mr. Yamane also said that a number of health facilities that the region are providing commendable health service to the public and called on the public to make proper use of the facilities and ensure their health. And now back with the international news after a short break. Welcome back. More than 100,000 Russian troops have massed on Ukraine's border and is annexed Crimea. This according to the office of the EU's top diplomat Josep Borrell after EU foreign ministers were briefed by Ukrainian's foreign minister. In a press conference, Borrell had originally spoken of more than 150,000 troops and declined to give a source for the figure. His office later corrected the number to more than 100,000 troops without giving a reason for the change. Borrell said no new economic sanctions or expulsions of Russian diplomats were planned for the time being, despite saying that the military buildup on Ukraine's border was the largest ever. In Washington, the Pentagon said the Russian military buildup was larger than that in 2014. It was not clear that it was for training purposes. Miguel Diaz-Canel has been named first secretary of the Cuban Communist Party, PCC, the most powerful role of the island. He will be the first person without the name Castro to run Cuba since the 1959 revolution. The move, announced 12 hours ago, was widely expected. It means the tall and 60-year-old now holds Cuba's two most important positions, head of the party and president of the state, and bears rumors that he was a placeman subject to more than powerful forces. An electoral engineer by training, Diaz-Canel has for much of his life been a party practitioner, despite a fast-rising one. He was born a year after the revolution in Villa Clara, the province where Che Guevara broke the will of Frangilo Bastiza's troop, bringing about the revolution. Raul Castro first appointed him vice president of the Council of Ministers in 2012, shortly after he himself had replaced his brother Fidel as first secretary of the party. It was the first real indication that Diaz-Canel was being prepared for power. Cuba faces, as the state struggles with the coronavirus, United States sanctions, crumbling infrastructure, and embedded bureaucracy. NASA's Ingenuity helicopter has made a historic flight on Mars, marking the first powered aircraft on another planet, Mars. Flight controllers in California confirmed Ingenity's brief hop after receiving data via the Perseverance rover, which stood guard more than 65 meters away. Ingenuity hitched a ride to Mars on Perseverance, clinging to the rover's belly upon their arrival in an ancient river delta in February. The $85 million helicopter demo was considered a high risk yet high reward. The research team had to wait more than 3 hours before learning whether the pre-programmed flight had succeeded 287 million kilometers away. Applause, cheers, and laughter erupted in the operations center when success was finally declared. That's for today. Thanks for watching.